Thirdly, I'm here to officially say for the first time in my music journey or my music for the first time, my song, the new song which is called Kumbayaya, mu Western region, that is Mbarara. And I believe, or I call upon all the artists, it's not all about the show you're going to have the next day. It's not all about okujanga wina chogeno okolayo newerabira nti ati nabe Mbarara oba yabe Arua oba Koboko bali kwetaze atugenze kukola bukozi show yokka. So I believe this is opening more doors to both of us. So that is it.
MVP. First of all, in Radio West, TV West. That's why I work for Radio West. Being in Mundeva social media, but my main job, I work for Radio West. I'm a supervisor. I supervise a team, but we'll be in Media Entertainment. So that's why I'm here. So being in MVP besides the social media and encourage. Initially, MVP promotions and concerts, events, most of the shows in Western Uganda. So most shows in Western Uganda, I was a brand ambassador for a brand called Betway. Right now, Betway for South Africa. So Kakola events. So after some time, I did project Kunad Closing, because that project the service of the Greens by Martin, by Penny Parker, by Charity, by P6, Nabandi Binch, by Megaton, by Younger Biona, and for shows. So after some time, MP promotions, they are closing. Now I have to teach for talent management and what they call Chitala music. Nayona handling a talent called Slim Money, Julia Music. Gradually now we became management. Now we are parting ways. We are Yabo. So Chitala music, we are going to management ya music. The project we are because project we watch for over time. Para stop camera, we close it. We get into another project. So right now, Chitala music is into consultants. And you keep discovering new opportunities. Because we call it into. Which, because you look at what can you do at a cheaper cost than so there are promotions that are you spend a lot because of work so in oyine kumuvuga yamara show atwa paka sente maybe show tizakora so you na closinga ebya wasilima mu kumanya na. So right now Chitala music is into music and consultants. So music consultants, what do? I get different artists, I share them proposals, I share them ideas, I pitch them, but you can pinching here's the idea so I've worked with so many artists from Katarina, Alex, right now in the project, so I'm here to meet in the Irene Kayemba. So Irene Kayemba, so far now, so this is our first meeting. I made a show so right now, most of the releases in Kampala. You tap into the market in Western Uganda and maybe meet the people who make things happen on the ground. Because yesterday I did a post on my social media on what's happening to mainstream presenters. Because mainstream presenters have a radio that is nobody that radio. But there's a new breed of people who are making it happen. TikTok, through social media around the brand mention with Yarugayo. So it's why you people are here. You get it? Much as we still have those people in mainstream media, but now in the engagement now, people who are doing more of the TikToking, people who are doing more of the talking on social media. So that brand ya Kayemba, ya Bugayu. Brand ya Kayemba, she's a woman of steel in my research. Besides music, recently I introduced my testimony to her and testimony needs to learn a lot from her. How best can you earn beyond music? She has an international school. She's in a Pampers. The Pampers and brand ambassador wa Kuto. I'm talking about billboards. Almost on every big highway. There's a billboard. I'm talking about billboard. So she's making money outside singing. So now let's not look at show how best can use your brands to make money through endorsement deals. So when I introduce your best or Irene Kayemba, now they are friends. They interact with Pamela. In Kampala, they meet and have engagements. Brand ya best so this is a case study so that artists from Kampala can also start coming here. But is that because they have a show the following day, but because they've come to launch projects that can tap into the market of Western Uganda. So nimbashaho kumwijaha supporting me. Yale bachakwate yuko yakibara bino muzo kutukanyirwamo. I believe from bring nyenza kurayo mwinamba baga muzo kwa nimwera because no mchara kuya live band and actually she has a school ya music. Uno mwana mtu anaenda kuweka za piano, za mburuji, kuweka production, and she has that studio. So no mchara wa man. Besides music, she's a family woman. And I always play a and music ya Ugayo. And Nanyensa can take partnerships. Nabana Western Uganda, I mean, I have to influence people. So there is growth in endeavors. I'm waiting to start.
Okay. Achira. I'm so happy to be with you guys. Being together creates some vibe. Zijemba Desina, Irene Kayemba. And I believe from today onwards, gena kupanga a vibe buli omu ayina engeri gyagikolachi gyagifunamu nange gyenjifunamu namwe gyemugikolachi gyemugifunamu. So anything beyond this kitandikira wansi. It all begins from zero. So tutandise leero. Any question from you, I'm ready and free to answer. Yeah. Nina bibuuzo. Sibu. Kiri kibuuzo ni? Enchakali. Okay.
Anyway, the question is, why are we here?
Yes. We are number one. We are here because I believe in teamwork. So team eri Western area, obeno jetuli, Mbarara, Yantonde, Ntungamu, believing anti betugatta wamu amani. I'll be a strong person, you also benefit. That is number one. Number two, I'm here because I believe it's not only about music. It's about being together, then then we move forward, getting connections from each of you or also from my side. Thirdly, I'm here to officially say for the first time in my music journey or my music, for the first time, my song, the new song which is called Kumbayaya ngenda kubanga ngirochingidde mu Western region, that is Mbarara, and I believe, or I call upon all the artists nti it's not all about the show you're going to have the next day. It's not all about okujanga wina kyogenda okukolayo neweerabira nti ate n'abe Mbarara oba abe Arua oba Koboko bali kwetaze atugenze kukola bukozi show yokka. So I believe this is opening more doors to both of us. So that is it. Personally, I believe social capital is better than anything. Social capital. When I sit here with you, I'm getting connections. The following day or any day, if I need something, I'll just give you a call. So we need each other. For the artists, it's not all about being an artist. It's about how best you work with each other. Your different stakeholders. How do I work with you? No, we need each other. And through needing each other, we get connections. From music, I've gained a lot. I'm a brand ambassador, not because I was doing something different or kuva artist but just because I also use the opportunities of being a marketeer, a profession. Pitching. He has told you need to pitch for a business. An artist cannot pitch for the business. Just because of so we get connections. We tumble around. We move together. Yes. Irene, waliwo weather.
Yes, I know.
Newabeerawo ne luno olupya lw'embezi nze naliyagadde nnyo Irene mu kifo ky'obayimbiramu akatebe abatuuliriza mwenna mbasaba mugende ku social media platforms zange ogyeyo akayimba kadownloading okawuliriza okusinga kingi mubigattise nno waliwo okulonkinga oluyimba nga kati genda olonkinze nembagamba nti bannange mikwano gyange ab'Embarara oluyimba luulwo ndukoze eki ndutadde. That is the launch of the song. Then wabeerawo launch nti Irene Kayemba as an artist agenda kuba ekivulu oba launching to talk about her music journey na biki byonna that will come later. Katumaze okuba nga wano tuli ki taratibwe.
So it's a release.
It is a release of the song.
Montero Monga.
Wachetegereza. Wachenga.
So you can also tell us
Kumbayaya Run Kit from Kids Studio. It's our own studio. Is the producer. Number 2, when you sing about something, manya kibera gye kina gye kikoze eki gye kivudde. Nsaba nnyo ekigambo Kumbayaya mwenna mukimanyi. Nsaba nnyo mugendeko mu Facebook page yange otekemu bwe kikyotegeera nange nkuddemu. Yes. You comment. Tell me the name or the meaning of Kumbayaya. Tutogeremuko tuve wano nga bwe mbagamba temujja kujjayo. Kati jangu omuze Irene Kumbayaya nze ntegeera kino. Mugambe nti olimba otegeeza kino. Okay, it means this one. Then tukubire wamu.
Irene omuntu akwetaaze afuna ati afuna kwewe na manager magazi.
Irene is a
musically.
Irene Akubuza as a wife, as a mother or a marketeer. But Irene are under Kids Music Revolution. It's a music label. Mulimu abantu abantwala abenjawulo management entwala. Yomuntu yenna abayagadde Irene Kayemba ayagala ebya music. Okuba ku namba ya omwami Raypan, okuba ku mwami enamba endala ya Raypan
viewers.
Raypan managing everything is wrong.
The fact that he knows music. It's not all about singing music, but knowing music. So big up to him and everyone, in Western region. Umuntu yene yayagadde okujoininga band asobola okujoininga. Okay?
bw'oba wabwenge okusobola kuzibuwalira okubeera mu bbanda eyo because abangi bafamire ate oba obweru oba oyina engeri gy'otafiitinga mu banno
gyobatafiitinga mu banno kye naligambye nti bwe tuba tukola ebintu especially business wise it's not all about family. It's not about family. It's about business. So the mere fact ntukukiriza oba kubanga it is management that allows oba kitegeera bw'ojja nogamba nti kati oli mu bbandi era ogenda kubeera nga owa bbandi bwayisibwa era ogenda kuba ofuna benefits of every member zaba afuna. Yes.
Irene webale nnyo naye omuntu ali eyo ng'awulidde ogamba okugaba collabos n'abayimbi abalala ajja kwewuunya mu katono nti mu famire ya Sentamu mujjudde bannabitone abangi be tulabirako banneesi ewulenga n'agamba kijja kitya okubanga mukyalo talinamu kolabo ne mu baganda be abali ku ddaala eririka waggulenga webale eryakabi
ekyo tukirekaayo. I think mu bulamu tebatuzaala nga twenkana bwe tuti batuzaala tetwogera nakwogera then we start to do different activities. Mu music sinamalamu even 6 years, so kitegeeza as of now sinneetaagisa korabo weneetaagibwa ne bwe buna tuli as of now naawe kitegeeza katikati nyinza ofuluma wali nenkola korabo ebeera tekyali naawe, so kitegeeza obudde obutuufu bwe bunaatuuka tugenda kukola korabo ne baganda bange bonna mu music industry. I repeat, nina kukola korabo ne baganda bange bonna mu music industry. Thank you.
oliwadde buuza
kino nkibuuziza nga nze kyokka
waka ate nga nzize mu bantu abaligamye nti Irene tulinako akakwata. Number 1 ekimfuula nti tulinako akakwata ogamba yinako akakwata mu Uganda tuli bannayuganda. Ekyokubiri omukyala tulamuki, ekyokusatu nyina bafanzi nga mubutuufu banjagala nga Irene Kayemba. Ekyokusatu leero lwe lunaku lwenziguddewo olugamba nti lino nti enaalonki bweoba linizi ng'oluyimba abeera Kampala, Irene leero aliwo wano mu Mbarara. So nkuzzemu bulungi nange mbisanyukidde nnyo.
Ano ndakubuuza byamakoona sebo
kubanga efuluma next week at 1.
bakulaba ngo batugamba
nga alina Zaira baby
byamakoona
ekibuuzo kirungi kirungi okuba nti Irene Kayemba owninga company efulumya parts ate zigwa mu layini eya being a woman ate nga ndi mu kibiina oba balise foundation eya Gruma Girl Foundation. Gwe oba ng'owulidde bw'oti owulira otya kirungi oba kiba kirungi? So kyenaligambye nti kyonna kyekiri kirungi kinalizemu omwami oli abuuzizza.
aza mwatandike byamakoona
Girl child pads eza relief pads anytime. Actually some of the supermarkets already made it. Yes. Netugiramu activities era ze tukola nga za kugaba pads ezo bwereere mu bawala because of Gruma Girl Foundation.
Boy child atakozesa pads yo
iwe
boy child mukubiriza. I call upon you all the boys or men out there to take care of the girl child. How? Respect them. Number 2, tell them what to be done in a rightful way, not a wrongful way. That is all I can tell a boy child. Yes.
nkyena mulabe bakola foundation y'okuyamba basereyazi bamala kukula bamuli abaana bahereza za pampers bakura bazo ba boyfriends baremerayo batandika conflict zitakwetagisa omashaba ngo afune iPhone takagikorerire so oshanga batandika kubakoresa nkaza dami omumabara ndasikuzamu okufiiringa amabara wena no bakatandika kwefunamu baserebu kuzomba motaxi bakatandika kukwata emyanya so nyensa mutandika foundation the people out there should look out for those foundation to help this guy for the amara kukula. Where do you leave it? Where do you throw it? You find the young person in any specific job, but they are cruising the best cars, they are having the best iPhones, the latest gadgets, the latest designer clothes, but when you go back home, they don't have anything to show their source of income. So Muteko initiate, I would recommend for an initiative to support the old girl.
Thank you so much. I was talking to one of you guys, why I'm doing music is because I want to inspire people out there. I was once an 18-year-old girl. Here I am. So it's not all about 18 years, no yagala, even to have things of a person of 60 years. Take your time. Oyagale moto kana oyagala kivuge ku myaka 13. Okay? Waliwo babuuza nti wasikira ki? Okay. Did you just inherit it or even if nakikola ekyo? I was telling him I want to inspire ladies and girls. For those who think nti you just have to go there and get a car. It's not there. You have to work for it. We're not hustling. You need to hustle. Abami banabo bagala kati bachala ba hustling. Am I lying? Bagala bachala basomya bachala ba hustling. So when you fail to do that, you have value jojo kubanga wejeko. That's why I say a girl child value is more important plus your characters and it just comes and there is nothing you're going to do without repercussions. Thank you.
So tweyaziza nnyo tweyazige ebigambo bya Irene Kayemba mugenyi ofuna ku lwaliro mbadde nsaba tujja kwebazaako omwami oyo mukwano gwange yanguzeeko motoka bannaayi oyo nno olweyi mukwano gwange nno twakula ffenna yansoose busoosi naye bambi mbadde nsaba buli muntu alina message afunye ku mukyalo ono gisharinge ayina bwayinza ogiteeka agiteekewo abali ku mativi tugenda gitwala message etuuke.
The supporters of Irene Kayemba from Western region of the country at large, thank you so much. I would like to, in a special way, thank him. Anytime I give him a call, he'll just say, Irene, that means Trina Rapport, Saba, I request every one of you to be creating it because you don't know what happens tomorrow. Also, my new song is going to be officially out on 25th. That's on Friday. YouTube, Genakuba Alutuseyo, everywhere, all the musical channels, Genakuba Alutuseyo. I love you. Thank you for supporting Ugandan music and me, Irene Kayemba. I love you. God bless you. One love.